Well, Dirtfoot Racing here. Got a little update on the Yerf Dog 3200 that I am modifying to get ready for the 24-hour race at the end of February here in Florida. 24-hour Le Minis. First thing I did was I got rid of these small little tires in the front, upgraded to an 8-inch wheel, 4x4 spindles, replaced the actual spindle findles because the other ones were wore out. New shocks in the front. The ones that were on there were 12.5 inches long, way too long. This thing sat bow-legged. Now it sits like it's supposed to, proper attitude. SUNF tires on the front, so nothing slipping, sliding. So that's just a start, what we've done so far. Today I'm drilling out the holes for the shock mounts to get them to 15 millimeter versus a 10. These had 3/8 bolts in them that weren't the right size to begin with, and it was flopping all over the place. I'm trying to take all the slop out of the front end. There was a lot of wore outness in the front end and loose parts and stuff like that. So we'll get that squared away. You can see where I added the 4x4 spindles. Stuff, pretty much everything's off the shelf. The wheels came from eTrailer.com. Cheap, $17 a piece. DOT rated trailer wheels, work great. SUNF tires I've had for a while for another project. They didn't use them on that, and they're going to work perfect here. Got a harness, picked it up off of Amazon, really good price. If you're going to need a harness for your cart, check that out, Amazon. What else? Still got a lot to do in the back here. Got to upgrade the brakes, work on this clutch alignment, which is terribly off. Stuff like that, and a roll bar. We're going to be bending up a roll bar and welding it on and getting it all ready with that. Oh, new seat cover and cushions that came from Jegs. Got good prices on that stuff. What else we've done so far? That is pretty much it right now. So, going to get the shocks mounted up, everything tightened up. I might even add some grease fittings down here on these spindles to lubricate them a little bit, even though it is steel on steel. A little grease couldn't hurt anything. Yeah, the spindles came from BM carts. It was BM carts for that. But anyways, you'll find them on there, and if you look for Yerf Dog parts, it pops right up. Oh, that guy fell down. But anyways, so that's the latest and greatest. I will we'll give you a little video here when we get it running this afternoon and ride around, see if it works any better, steers any better. Because before, when it was jacked up way too high, every angle possible on this thing was out of whack. I got to do a little steering alignment. As you can see, it's sitting pretty bow-legged right now. So got to get that squared away. But yeah, it didn't want to turn. It just wanted to go straight. So I'll report back and let you know how it goes. See you guys.